Welcome back. Opening shot. A sleek 2025 Ferrari enters in slow motion, headlights piercing through the cinematic lighting, reflections gliding over its sculpted body. There's something about Ferrari that never fails to ignite passion. And the 2025 Ferrari, it's a masterpiece of power, precision, and pure Italian artistry. Under the hood, a re-engineered hybrid V8 engine delivers an astonishing 800 horsepower, blending raw combustion with cutting-edge electric efficiency. The result, a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 2.5 seconds. Lightning fast, yet remarkably smooth. The design, simply breathtaking. Every curve, every bend, every aerodynamic detail is crafted for speed and style. The aggressive front fascia, sculpted side panels, and that signature rear diffuser, it's Ferrari DNA at its finest. Inside, the cockpit is a blend of futuristic technology and race-inspired luxury. A fully digital driver's display, carbon fiber accents, and hand-stitched leather seats say it's where elegance meets adrenaline. And let's talk about handling. Ferrari's latest adaptive suspension and all-wheel steering make every corner an experience. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the precision is unmatched. But Ferrari isn't just about performance. It's about emotion, the symphony of the engine note, the rush of acceleration, the feeling of driving something truly special. The 2025 Ferrari isn't just a car, it's a statement, a tribute to heritage, a leap into the future, and an experience that leaves you breathless. Closing shot, the Ferrari roars into the distance, exhaust crackling, as the iconic prancing horse logo fills the screen. Stay tuned for more, and remember, every draw